Hey guys, Ezra from EzraSlayton.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online completing simple tasks.
On the line.
Alright, so if you want to make some money online in your spare time, working from home, or just, maybe you're on the road and you want to make some extra money from your hotel room, well, there's a website that you can use called usertesting.com. It's going to allow you to do that very easily, very simply. All you're going to do is just visit different websites, test those websites, figure out whether or not they are working properly, and then give your feedback via audio and visual recordings so that the companies can improve their websites based on your recommendations or the things that you've noticed about their site. Okay, so the website is called usertesting.com, okay? And if you go to usertesting.com and you look here at the top, it says get paid to test. Alright, so you'll click on that and it'll bring you to this exact same page that I'm on right now. Now you'll earn $10 per test, and each test takes anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes to complete. So you can get up to $30 an hour. You'll visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid. It's very easy to sign up, and most of the countries are accepted, but we'll talk about that here in a second. So let's just go down and see how it works. So you get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video that you complete. User Testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and then speak your thoughts out loud. They've got a short 2-minute video here that you can watch to get even more information about that. Alright, now if we scroll down here, we've got a few big publishers here that have given their opinions of this website. 4 free apps that can earn you extra cash. With user testing, you get paid to offer feedback on a website. The pay is $10 per test, and it involves visiting a website, completing some tasks, and then recording your feedback about the user experience. The tasks take about 10 to 20 minutes to complete, so not a ton of time. You can do this, after dinner or whatever. Whenever you have a little bit of free time, you shoot over here, you knock out a task, takes you like 10 to 20 minutes, and then bam, you just earn yourself $10. All right. You can use that $10 to put into your gas tank. I know it's not going to get you too much gas these days. You can use that $10 to buy yourself a meal, right? You can pay for your meal every day using this strategy. If you're in a country where $10 goes a bit further, well, you'll be able to do much more. Alright, the Life Hacker says, make money in your spare time doing simple online tasks. Get $10 for visiting a website and providing live, honest feedback about it. Your reactions as you trapeze the site are recorded by user testing software. Okay, not bad. Same thing. This is the Huffington Post. Give your opinions of website. Website owners often wonder what visitors think when they experience their site for the first time. So as a site tester, you'll provide candid feedback via video and audio recording of your gut reaction as you visit sites seeking feedback, says Durst. Okay, so you're going to need some way to record, and then you're also going to need a microphone to capture your voice as well. So for a video recorder, I would probably go with Screencast-O-Matic. This is what I use right here. You can see it down here. It's recording the screen right now. That one is pretty cheap at about $20 for 3 years worth of service. So definitely give that one a try. As far as microphones go, you can use the mic on your own phone. In the same way that I'm doing this, I record the video with my phone using the headphone jack, and then I just record my screen using Screencast-O-Matic, and then combine the two using DaVinci Resolve 15. Okay, but that's a bit more advanced, but not too difficult. Anyone can do it. The Wall Street Journal says, a few bucks for your thoughts. If your secret fantasy is to express your opinion on new ads, products, or websites, because that's everyone's fantasy, right? Your day has come. Usertesting.com pays people to evaluate websites, usability, and clarity. Feedback site developers use to help make sites easier for people to navigate. Okay, so you're actually doing a service to the great many by testing these sites. More than 700,000 tests taken by users for companies such as the ones you see on the screen right now, Microsoft to name one, Twitter, Orbitz, and so on and so forth. Facebook is even here, so you know it's legit. So what do you need to get started? You're gonna need a PC or Mac, an internet connection, and a microphone. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or Android tablet if you'd like to take mobile tests. Ability to download their testing software. You must be at least 18 years old, and you must have the ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. Okay, so that might cancel a lot of people out right there because English isn't the most widely spoken language, or it is actually, I think the most widely spoken language, but not the most people speaking language. I think that would be like Mandarin because the Chinese population is so great. Okay, so how much money can I make? While user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars, you're definitely not going to get rich doing this. If you'd like more information on a way to make more money online, I'm talking like $100 to $50 a day easily, go down in the description and click on that link for my #1 money making method online and check that out, get you some more information on that. All right, so how do you get paid? You're gonna get paid via PayPal, so you must have a PayPal account and live in a country that can receive PayPal money transfers. You'll receive your payment exactly 7 days after completing the website or app test. This waiting period allows them to ensure the quality of all of your recordings. So they are accepting testers from all of these countries. Just go ahead and look through and see if your country is there. And just remember, you need to be able to speak English, which if you're watching this video right now, you probably can because you can understand what I'm saying, right? United States, Canada, and Greenland. What is the sign-up process? Sign-up is quick and easy. Everyone likes things to be easy, so it is. Just enter your email address on this page and complete a sample test. Once you're approved, you start taking real tests and earning real money through PayPal. And as always, if you have any additional questions, they've got an FAQ. All right, that's it for this video. The website again is usertesting.com. Become a user, get paid to test anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes per test, $10 per test, and you can earn up to $30 per hour, maybe, by watching videos, visiting websites, and so on. So give it a try and let me know how it goes for you. If you'd like to do what I do, then just click down on the link below where I do affiliate marketing online, and I've got an ebook that I'd love to give to you to get you started in that. So links are down in the description. Check them out, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the future videos. Peace.